This how-to video will explain how to find the settings for your paging transmitter. So if you have a paging transmitter it's connected to your system where you're sending pages to pagers, this will be how to find out what those settings are. It could be the technicians asking, find out what they are, ask for a screenshot of what your settings are. This is how you would be able to locate them. So from your welcome page, VT3000 core software. Once you're in the core software from the home page, you basically want to be in system settings under administration. So select that here for user icons. Basically, once you're on system settings page, we want to be in service. And basically what we want to do is select paging transmitters. And then it's going to show your paging transmitters here. So for me, got this one here that's set up as a remote. And this is all the settings for it. The driver, the method, of course, is the IP address it's talking to it on. Yours may look like this. It may be a USB, which has different settings. Essentially, whichever way it is, this is how you find it. Take a screenshot of this page, send technician, read them off the settings, however it is that's going to work out for you. Once you're done, just discard and exit. And that'll conclude this video on how to find the paging transmitter settings. Look forward to talking to you again.